Do you actually know the difference between a DUI and a DWI? Because depending on which state you're in, it actually makes a difference. A DUI stands for driving under the influence, while a DWI stands for driving while intoxicated or impaired. And both of these distinctions are really important based on what's actually in each state's law. That's why this is so important. For example, the states that call it a DWI, they might use part of that specifically for alcohol type DUIs, but if they then use the impaired word, then that can be a little more broad to substances such as drugs or prescriptions. In Arizona, we basically just use our DUI law to do both, whether it's a DUI for drugs or a DUI for alcohol. We don't need the DWI law based on the way Arizona wrote its law. Why this is important is because your case is very specific and you want to make sure you're applying the right law, the right standards to your actual DUI charge. A lot of the officers will stack multiple DUIs in one DUI case in order to try and make sure that you get convicted of at least one of them. This is part of why you really should not do this alone. You should always hire a private lawyer who knows how to handle DUIs and does them for a living, not other lawyers who do it for fun on the side. There's way too much online here, especially with the different distinctions in the different laws. And then DUI laws are the most complex laws that there are here in Arizona's legal system. If you need help with this, I recommend reaching out to us sooner rather than later.